Today I'm gonna change this one, which is MAF airflow sensor from Acura MDX 2012. Previously guys, I changed this one, but I bought an aftermarket one, so this one did not work good. So I'm putting my original one back to the here. So I cleaned it very well, nice and clean, and I'm ready to switch. So it's just two screws holding here, this and that. Okay. So I'm just taking it out. Before that I have to open this, push it and pull it out. It's pretty tight, so you can use a screwdriver too if you want, and push it. It came out. So this is the aftermarket one. I thought this is gonna work good, and this is the new, but it was in the car originally, so I'll just put it back. Okay, so that's it guys. So I easily change this one, as you can see, and this is an aftermarket again, which is not good. And I'll suggest, if you are replacing this kind of part, buy it from the dealer. And it was my mistake not buying from the dealer. If you buy original, you don't have to worry about it. And I think this video is helpful for you, and if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe.